So today we are going to be doing a bit of a progress update video and giving you some pretty interesting things about the expansion plans coming out for 2018. Just wanted to mention, sorry if there's a bit of a shadow, there's clouds moving over and I'm under trees, but I decided I wanted to get an outside video for today. So I'll do my best in editing to make sure the lighting is really good for you. But basically, to most of you that are subscribed to the channel and some of you who are not, the MSc Academy focuses on delivering education to the community to be able to teach you as much as we possibly can about three very important things: about trading, about investing, and about wealth management. But something that a lot of people don't realize is behind the YouTube channel that I'm running, there is a huge amount to the MS Equities group. So I'm the founder of the MS Equities group, and inside the MS Equities group, we do a ton of stuff. So not only do I run the MSc Academy, where I train students in over 25 countries around the world, I also run the Alpha Capital Fund, where I invest on behalf of other investors based around the world as well. So I manage capital for investors. And then also I run the MS Text group, and the MS Text group builds very specialized algorithmic research products and algorithmic investment products as well. And then lastly, I also run the Incubate Fund, and the Incubate Fund focuses on things like investment research, venture capital, and private equity investment. But most importantly is going to be what we're wanting to expand into for the MSc Academy. And to a lot of you, you are going to be wanting weekly educational content if you are trying to progress in these avenues. And that is why the MSc Academy on YouTube itself is so important for us, because we're able to reach out to people based around the world and be able to help them and give them some sort of impact or piece of education that they can take home with them every single week. So that's always why I recommend to all of you to make sure that you subscribe to this channel and you keep updated on the weekly educational content coming out, because every single week there is something new coming out that you can actually learn from, which to all of you is important, because the more you know, the more you can make. So like I said to you, the three main themes that we deliver on this channel is about trading. So trading in the financial markets, whether it's Forex, stocks, indices, commodities. Second one is investing, talking about long-term, short-term investments, diversifying your portfolios, and trying to manage a long-term outlook based on how you can invest your capital. And then most importantly is also going to be wealth management. So we talk a lot about managing your wealth, managing things like your income, your credit, your debt, being able to understand what you need to do for your future and financial planning for yourself. So for these three subjects, we've had a really good amount of feedback from the students. We've had a lot of impact that we've been able to deliver to students and to our viewers. But the two most important things that I'm going to start growing into is talking about business and entrepreneurship, and talking about the very important aspects that people need to consider on an educational basis. And then secondly is going to be performance coaching. So these two are not only very important educational sections that I feel a lot of people need to get, it's also unfortunately not an educational section that is being delivered very well in the social media community. Now, I do know that there's a lot of people out there that deliver really, really good content, but very often a lot of this content is some form of upsell content. So it's some form of content to try and drive you to use a product that this person is offering, or try and use some form of tool or strategy that they're going to try and charge you for. Now, most importantly for myself, it's that I'm able to deliver some form of content to you that you can learn at no cost. And when I talk about no cost, I mean you don't have to pay money for it. You don't have to try and go and sign up for some sort of newsletter or some sort of membership access. And then also something that a lot of people do not consider is that it's not going to take a huge amount of time out of your day. It's going to be something simple that you can apply and something that you can apply fast. So for the business and entrepreneurship, it's going to be a lot of educational based content. It's not really going to be much into the motivational side. It's going to be the actual content that you need to learn. Then the performance coaching is also going to be vital, because for pretty much every single trader, something that they need to understand is that performance coaching is what will really take their results up over the top of the general mean. So what I mean by that is, as a trader, you need to focus on having extreme mental fortitude, great resilience, being able to apply your mindset on a daily basis, being able to deal with the losses, deal with the wins, and being able to create consistent growth in your mental fortitude and your mental capacity. And the performance coaching educational content that we'll be delivering over the next couple of months is going to help you do just that. So just to end off with, the two last points I wanted to address to you is based on expansion projects I'm currently implementing inside my company. So the MS Equities group is growing. So the MS Equities group is growing rapidly fast. And like I said to you, the 4 companies that I'm managing within the group, each of those companies are growing rapidly into their own industries and growing into really interesting and very innovative products. These are kinds of products that no one in the industry is building, and very few people are actually implementing as a package the way we're going to be implementing it and delivering it to our clients. So something that you'll also realize is a lot of things that are going to be coming out over the next couple of months are going to be very new. You're going to realize that we're going to have a very different approach towards what a lot of other companies are approaching, the financial education industry and the financial investments industry. But over the next couple of months, we're going to be partnering with some very special companies. We're going to be working with some incredible people in the industry and helping deliver that content to you, to every single person out there. The 2 projects that we're going to be implementing that I'm very, very excited about is we are going to be implementing a new Forex foundation program. So this is going to be below what we currently offer. So in the MSc Academy, we offer a 12-month training program to our students where they're able to learn over 250 hours of extensive training content about trading, investing, and wealth management. It's an extensive private coaching program, and we only take in 150 students a year. And this makes it very difficult for us because we have tons of students that want to apply to our programs, but we don't have space for them. So basically, we're going to be building a Forex foundation program, which allows the students to go and go through about 6 weeks worth of training, that they'll be able to absorb this knowledge and learn all about it, and then they'll be able to go and apply their knowledge in the industry. So it's not going to be the same as our main academy programs, but it's going to be a very special program. And we're going to be delivering those programs out for 2018 completely free of charge. So the value of these programs is going to be at about $500 per student. And for the whole of 2018, it's going to be completely free of charge. So to anyone who actually would like to get ready for that program and would like to sign up front, because we are only going to be taking 300 students in 2018 for that program, make sure to email info@mxequitiestrading.com, ask to request a seat on the new Forex Foundation program. Just say that in your email, and we'll make sure to put you right at the top of the list, which at least means you're going to be one of the 300 students that gets to study free of charge for 2018. The next project that we're going to be implementing is a very, very special product, and it's going to be the first of its kind in the entire world. It's going to be called the Uni Friend Project. Now, I'm not going to tell you too much about what the Uni Friend Project is about. We're basically focusing on making sure no one actually knows about what the project is or what we're going to be doing, but it's going to be a very, very special process that we're going to be building between. But like I said to you, these 2 projects coming out, the Forex Foundation program, if you want to get on board, it's a $500 training program, and you can get access to it completely for free. And once again, like I said to you, the new content coming out is going to impact pretty much every single person out there who wants to learn about trading, investing, business entrepreneurship, or learning about performance coaching. So if you would like to gain access to weekly educational content completely free of charge, just make sure to subscribe to the channel, and at least also make sure to have a look at the library of videos that we have available. There's already a ton of content up there that you would be able to learn from. So once again, everyone, just wanted to say thanks for tuning into this video. Like I said, there's a lot of information coming out over the next couple weeks and months, and I really look forward to telling you all about it. So I hope you enjoy having a look at the rest of the videos that we have up on the library, and I'll make sure to see you in the next video. Cheers for now.